Hello everybody, today I'm gonna be doing fidgets. So, here's one fidget that's not really good. It's supposed to be like a noodle ball, but the things inside of it like hardened, you can see. So it's just like an air ball it's supposed to be. So that out of the way. Boom. Next, I'm going to start with the squishies. I have this. I wish it had more of the like things inside, or then because then it would be better to play with, feel better. But other than that, I really like this. How it's all colorful. Well, actually, I'm gonna not talk for these, so you can enjoy the satisfying. On to the next one. On to the next one. To the next one. And I'm gonna save the best for last. Onto the next one. If you want to see, here's a sneak peek at my bucket. Oops, it's not too much. Okay, now I'm gonna do this like putty that I have. If I can open it. Okay, this is hard. I got this like a year ago. Yeah. Can't close this. Close. Now we're gonna do puppets. I have these in different colors. These colors. Almost got this one and this one. And these, another yellow one, stack on each other. Like that. Now it is time to do the ginormous ones. So I'm gonna start with this one. It's a giant ball. I have another one, but but this one I'm not going to talk for. The blue one is my favorite that I'll show you after. Next one. Oops. Oops. Well, that was all the fidgets for today. Bye.